Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today Krista has a new subscription to show you guys. This is, I'm just going to let Krista, I'm just here to watch.
We watched a video of someone else that had got this subscription called Reclaimed with Love. And what it is a company that rescues jewelry, cleans it up, and puts in a subscription. And you have multiple choices. They have a jewelry subscription where you can pick one piece, two pieces, or three pieces. We did the three pieces. It's $28 a month. You can get just an earring subscription, and they do have a men's jewelry subscription. I had worked with their customer service because of an error message I had trying to get the subscription started, and their customer service is amazing. So that put a lot of confidence in this. Their packaging is incredible.
Wait till you see.
Inside, they sent 2 cards. Personalized cards, and just it really.
This says, Dear Krista, or Hey Krista. Like they don't just stamp these out and put one in every box. They make it for the box.
And then you can set up your profile, so you can choose whether you like clear stones, multicolored stones, no stones. You can pick if you want glam, if you want elegant or everyday look. You can pick your style, like boho or trendy or modern or eclectic. I mean, there was just a bunch of things, and you can pick more than one. You can pick white gold, yellow gold, rose gold, or a mixture that says surprise me. Each subscription is different, so you'll never know what you get. So what I get, you won't get.
So tell us what you picked so we can compare it with what you got. What was your preference?
So I picked clear stones and multi-stones, and I picked everyday, and I like give me bling, and I picked I think
that's quite the combination.
Modern and chic and trendy. And
she marked all the boxes, it sounds
and
like.
I picked gold and silver because I'm not a big rose gold fan. And so and I picked earrings, bracelets, and necklaces. You can just pick one or the other, and there's also a choice for anklets. So it depends on what you pick, and
which is nice.
May not be matching pieces at all. It could be 3 different pieces. You never know what you're going to get. Look at the gorgeous box that they send it in with the pretty butterfly.
This is definitely a keepsake box. You can keep your jewelry.
Yeah,
in
you can
box.
keep it in it, and then look, the stick. It's the pretty. I love the butterfly. I love butterflies. So in it, hate tearing a pretty paper. Inside was these things. There was a coupon code on their website that on your first order you get a 4th piece of jewelry. So I actually have 4 pieces, which is exciting.
And there's another card in the bottom.
There's another card in the bottom.
What does it say?
And it says, "Love what you're getting. Share your hauls online."
Oh.
And so it's called Reclaimed with Love, and gift. So another nice little card, and again,
we'll leave the website in the description. But yeah,
I like that it recycles.
Giving jewelry a new life.
And so our subscription for 3 pieces was $28 a month plus shipping. So it works out just barely over $10 a piece, which really for costume jewelry is not bad at all. It's like, that's a good price. And so we wanted to try it out because we've been looking at updating some jewelry. So let's see what our first piece is. Ooh.
A pretty tennis bracelet.
Oh, look at this.
And it's adjustable.
See, I said glam, and they took me at my word. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
Oh.
And these are not genuine stones or precious metals, but for a costume jewelry piece, that's very nice.
Ooh, I like that.
Let me help. She needs 2 hands to tighten it. There we go.
Ooh.
That's beautiful. That would have gone with your jewelry today.
I'm going to be wearing this.
Yes.
Beth, you want to open one?
Okay. Like I said, I'm just here to watch, but she's being nice. This is hers.
We're going to share.
If there's a ring in here, she gave them my size. So this is a necklace I can.
No, I didn't.
No, I think you did.
I changed it at the end. So I was like, if I get rings her size, then I will not have a piece.
Oh, you stinker.
I can add it back.
I was looking forward to it. Okay. Oh, it doesn't match. This is really nice. Let me get it out of here. It's a necklace, but it's taped. Krista, it's got a C on it. They found her one with her initial. And we don't know which one of these is technically the free extra one, but they just gave 4 pieces. And it's got diamonds on it. Well, rhinestones.
Rhinestones.
So it goes with the bracelet. They gave her kind of a set. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, it's more than one.
Pieces.
I think this is. What is this?
Is that another bracelet?
I'm not sure. Oh, it's a necklace.
Oh, to make it a multi-layered
Or you
set.
can wear them separately.
Or
how beautiful.
Oh, I love this company already.
Is that include? There you go. That's
Oh
in
my
focus.
word.
How beautiful is that?
This is Krista's set. 2-pack.
Yeah,
for
there's.
Beth. Oh my word. Oh.
And there's 2 more pouches, and that's 3 things
Oh.
already. So that one was a twofer, which is really nice because you can wear them separately.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh, these are
Ooh.
mine.
These look, Beth and I both can wear them, but I have a pair like this, kind of. So.
I need another pair of silver hoops. I lost mine.
Those are nice.
Those are really pretty.
Oh, those are pretty.
And they've got a really pretty kind of pressed paper that they're pinning everything to.
I love this subscription.
And you can
already.
tell, I can hear how thin that aluminum or metal, cheap metal is, but it doesn't make it not be pretty.
Exactly.
I mean, it won't be heavy on my ear.
I like it.
It's beautiful. I love them.
Let's
You
see
guys,
what's in it
everything
next.
I'm wearing today is from Temu. I am not a fancy jewelry person. Oh, okay, those might be mine, but she likes them too.
We're gonna have to toss for these. These are pink stones.
Oh, those are gorgeous. I didn't
And
expect
silver.
the quality to be so
So-
nice.
I like that. And they kind of have an antique look to them. Look at that. So pretty.
That is beautiful.
Oh, so.
Wow. So she got a little bit of silver, a little bit of gold, a little every day, a little glam.
And then I have something
A
that
little
goes with
trendy.
the bracelet if I wanted to wear
Yes.
it. Oh, I
That
like
necklace is gorgeous. And
So-
this tissue paper is really cute.
It's really nice. So people, I highly recommend
I would
the
do it.
subscription. I am
We're
so
gonna
glad I
keep it.
did it. We were going to try it maybe 2 months just to see, but after this first month, I'm pretty sold on this. This is,
I mean,
wow.
even if there had been one of these pouches missing, this still would have been a great thing because this did have an extra one. I had 4.
So I would go to Reclaimed with Love. I would highly recommend this
Yes.
subscription. One, they're giving old jewelry new life, and things aren't, they're being passed along. And then if you don't like something, you can pass it along and keep it going.
If you have a sister who thought she was going to get rings out of this deal,
Maybe next month.
maybe
I'll
get her
have
her
it.
own subscription, and she won't. She won't share. It's fine.
Fine.
It's a sister's prerogative to change your mind. That's all right. I got a ton of rings I get from Temu, so I'm set with rings for a while. But this was really nice.
Yes, and again, they had all kinds of styles, from boho to elegant to trendy modern. You can pick one if you like. You can pick motifs like butterflies or flowers or whatever. So it's like nice.
All right, that was our video with Krista's new subscription. She's always on the prowl for new fun things to bring into the channel and stuff that she would get this even if we didn't have the channel. I'm pretty much sure of it. So, but we want to thank you guys for joining us. If you did enjoy this video and love subscription boxes and unboxings and finding new treasures, hit subscribe, hit like, leave us a comment. Let us know do you get this subscription? Do you recommend any other jewelry subscriptions that we can look into? Because we both love a little sparkle in our lives. Can't have too much. Thank you guys for joining us. Have a great rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.